Ang ganda, grabe.
Hello guys.
Hi guys, hi fans, hi followers.
Where are you guys now?
We're here in Santorini, exploring the island. Hi guys, this is our stairs going to our hotel. You have to hold on to the rope, so just in case you fall. Hi guys, hi friends, hi Tropa peeps. We rented a car. Hi guys, hi friends,
Hi followers.
hi followers.
So only one follower.
Hi ate. We're here in Fira. Grabe, ganda. Hi guys. Hi followers. Hello. Hi.
Our Miss
Hello.
Virginia Beach.
Beach or bit? It's so breathtaking view of the caldera and the Fira.
Ay, mga nag-boat sila. Boat sila.
Magkano kaya dyan?
Pili ko babalik ka.
Yan na, kumadalan.
Nice, ang kalanti.
Okay. I really have to be careful going down these steps. Kasi steps siya masyado. More steps, few more steps. Going back to our hotel, we are gonna rest for a little bit so we get energized for the